it's your girl Bree. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So for today's video, we're doing a spend the day with me, real regular degular. Here I am fresh out the shower, you know, time to moisturize and all that good stuff and get ready for the day. So let's go. So y'all, as you can see, I'm trying to just fix my hair. This is probably like a 3-day-old twist out that I just put in 4 little ponytails, put a little bit of oil on it, and I'm just about to go about my business. So yeah, today I decided to go to Goodwill in the morning. So you see me getting dressed, making some coffee, and getting ready to go. So yeah, after I make my coffee, I'm about to hop in my freebie, which is like a little shuttle ride, as you can see here. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Awesome. All right. Heading over to Goodwill?
Yes.
All right.
So yeah, as we was driving, we saw some type of police activity. I don't know what happened, but anyways, here we are at Goodwill. Wait. There it is. You see Goodwill. So yeah, I'm about to get my little shopping on. It's been a minute since I went thrifting, y'all. So I was just trying to, you know, find a couple cute things. And yeah, so here I am just looking at whatever I could find. This skirt was so cute. It was a guest skirt, but it was also an extra large, so that would not have worked. I ended up finding another skirt that's this like mini skirt. It's jean denim. I love it. It's so cute, and I don't have a skirt like that, so yeah. Never mind. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Okay, so I got my vase. I literally have like 25 minutes before I need to clock in, but I got some flowers from Dollar Tree, y'all, so I wanted to cut my flowers real quick. But let me tell y'all about my little trip to Dollar Tree, y'all. First of all, as far as clothes go, oh, I think I cut this too short. I did. Okay, that's okay. I have another vase. I have this one. So I'll put the purple ones in here. So I went to Goodwill, and for some reason I feel like I said Dollar Tree, but I went to Goodwill and I bought some stuff. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to find like some fall clothes or whatever, but the temperature down here is starting to finally change. Like it's starting to finally, like, you know, be a little bit cooler instead of hot all the damn time. So, ooh, maybe I shouldn't have cursed. Anyways, so I'm like, oh, let me buy some fall stuff. Like, you know, maybe I could find like some more flannels or something like that, because I could buy flannels online, but they gonna be more expensive than a thrift store. Y'all, why my bill ended up coming to $33? I was like, and I was very much confused on how it reached $33. Whatever, child. Something not adding up. Maybe my math is just incorrect. Whatever. So y'all saw me fix my flowers. Now it's time to fix some breakfast. I still need to fix my bed. Again, girl, why you gonna fix your bed? You just finna mess it up later. I fix it because I work from home. If I get in bed, I'm finna wanna take a nap. That's just the truth. It's happened before. So I work at a call center type thing. My turkey bacon's done. Hold on. Okay, it looks a little bit better. Y'all see how excited I am? Hello, thank you for calling COVID-19 vaccine information line. My name is Brianna. Okay, y'all, so that was my first call of the day, and I'm gonna try to sweep up some of these flower petals before the next call comes in. I have not finished my breakfast. My lips look so ashy. But yeah, I literally work all day, so that's why this is a regular degular spend the day with me. I don't have class today, but yeah. So yeah, as I wait for calls to come in, I made my bed, and this is what I do: watch TV and eat ice and snack all day. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm still on the clock, but my lunchtime is coming up, so I'm gonna start to prep my food. So I put myself on break for a moment, so let's go do that. Y'all, I did not know my Calvin Kleins were showing this whole time. But anyways, I made salmon this day with mashed potatoes and air fried broccoli. It was so good. And that's my little mashed potatoes, the little packet. I'm not ashamed. Y'all, look at the meal. I took a little bite because you know a chef always gotta try her stuff. You know what I'm saying? But look at that. Got the broccoli, the mashed potatoes with the butter. Okay, and I have literally like, I have 2 minutes until my break ends, so let me try to indulge a little. These goddamn people. I'm about to go back to watching my show, but people are so entitled, and I just okay.
Extremely annoying shift later.
Okay, so I just clocked out. I had someone keep me 1 minute past my time. Okay, let me go ahead and put my time sheet for my 8 hours. Yes, I have the bonnet on. I was getting real sleepy, y'all, in the last like hour or so. Oh, Love and Basketball is on. Anyways, I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. Then we'll see if I feel like doing anything else after that. Probably just study or maybe do laundry. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, y'all. Anyways, I just finished my workout. Y'all, I finished up on the Stairmaster, and tell me why I had left my IV in there. So I went downstairs, upstairs, and back downstairs. Anyways, I'm back in my dorm now. I'm not doing laundry tonight. So y'all, guess what I'm about to do that I said I wasn't gonna do? And y'all might be like, girl, why you finna do your laundry? You just said you was tired. Woo, woo, woo. Listen, I had just went down there to get some ice, right? Because the ice machine is in the laundry room. And I was thinking, I was like, should I just do my laundry tonight? Like, it don't look that packed. Woo, woo, woo. And so I text my boo thing. I'm like, you know, should I do my laundry tonight or this weekend? He was like, oh, you should do it tonight because you already up and about. And I'm like, I hate it when they make sense. So yeah, I'm gonna do my laundry. Okay. So this is the laundry room, y'all. Okay, so we see some open machines right up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and disinfect and we could get to it. Like I said, it's kind of empty tonight. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just finished laundry. It's a little past midnight. It's exactly 12:20 right now, so I'm gonna fold my clothes and stuff and put them away and then finish studying. I've just been listening to some Tiny Desk NPR. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna get ready and go to sleep. So I don't want to be up too long. Like, I don't have anything to do tomorrow for real, but besides work, but I just don't want to be like up for no reason till like 2 o'clock in the morning or some stuff. Like one is probably the cutoff. Like, but yeah, that was my day. I tried to make it as realistic as possible. Y'all, I even washed the stuff that I got from Goodwill today. Y'all gonna see it in a haul, so make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see that. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.
Like you got superpowers, turn my minutes into hours. You got more than 20/20, babe.